In this video, I'll show you how you can create this decorative hair comb at home. I got inspired by Pantone's Colour of the Year 2025 called Mocha Mousse and by the color palettes they have published on their website. I thought I would show you how you can use this soft brown tone, whether you're looking to make something for yourself or to sell. Here's all the materials needed to make this hair comb. I'm using assorted beads in shades of brown, beige and peachy beige to go with the soft brown theme. You can use whatever beads or pearls you would like. Now let's make the first branch needed for this design. Start by threading 4 oval crystal beads on the wire. Take the first bead and slide it to about 15 centimeters away from the end of the wire. Twist the wire by turning the bead until you have about 1 centimeter of twisted wire. Then bring a second bead down the wire and place it near the branch, leaving room to twist the wire until it's about half a centimeter in length. Continue twisting the wire, leaving about half a centimeter in between each offshoot of the branch. Finish the branch by twisting the wire a few times and then cutting off the wires about 10 centimeters away from it. Here's the first branch with 4 beads. Now I'll show you how to make some branches with little clusters of pearls. You'll need 12 little pearls for this. Start with 3 pearls. Bend the wire and form a triangle with the pearls. Then twist them until it's about 1 centimeter in length. We're using the same measurements with all the branches. Each offshoot of the branch will have about half a centimeter of twisted wire. And also leave about half a centimeter in between each of them. I use the same beads on each branch, but you could also mix bead sizes and colors. I also varied the length of them by using more beads on some of the branches to add some variety to them. Repeat the process to make as many branches as you would like. I'll show you each branch I made and how many beads each of them has. You can make more or fewer depending on how full you want your design to be. Here's all the branches done. There are 8 different branch designs, and each of them has 2 of them. Now, let's separate the branches in 2 piles, so we have one of each design to go on each side of the hair comb. Next, you'll need a metal hair comb. I'm using a wired comb with 12 teeth. Take one of your branches and position it at the side of the hair comb. Wrap the wire tightly around the comb's teeth to secure it in place. At this stage, you can leave most of the extra wire on, just in case you need to fill in any gaps on the hair comb with additional beads after you have finished attaching the branches. Then do the same on the other side. Add another branch next to the first branch, slightly overlapping it for a layered effect. Again, wrap the wire around the comb's teeth to secure it. Continue adding branches one by one. Adjust the angle of the branches as needed to create a balanced design. Don't worry if your wires look messy at this point. Once the branches are attached, you can trim and tuck in any excess wire using your side cutters and chain nose pliers. Now that all the branches are attached, you can fill in any gaps on the hair comb using the extra wire left over from the branches. Add beads in a random order until you feel that there are no more gaps in the center of the hair comb. Cut off all the excess wires that are not needed and press the ends down with your chain nose pliers, ensuring that there are no sharp edges. Once everything is secured, use your fingers to gently adjust the branches and beads until you're happy with the shape. And there you have it, your own Mocha Mousse inspired hair comb. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.